beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a huge Sephora haul for you. I spent I think close to like $600 at Sephora. Nobody tell my husband. Maybe a little past 600. I don't know, it was a lot of money, but here's how I justified it. I'm going to make a haul video and then I'm going to make probably 2 more videos about the contents of what I am about to show you. And I need to try these products because the Sephora sale is coming up and I need to know whether they're good or not, so I know whether or not to recommend them. I'm just doing my job over here, I know, but it was a lot, okay? I hate that you can spend the most amount of money at Sephora and they'll still send you the tiniest little box ever. So here's my treasure. I'm going to be opening everything today. I'm going to show you everything I got. We'll maybe swatch some things and play with some things. Let me show you everything that is in this box. I will of course have all of these products listed and linked down below in the description box of this video. So if you're interested in trying any of these, please shop for them using my links or the products tagged on the screen. One of the products I'm honestly least excited to try because I'm predisposed to think that I'm not going to love it for some reason. It's been getting raving reviews online, but in my mind I'm like, I'm not gonna like it. Anyways, I got it because I needed to try it in order to let you guys know whether or not it's as good as I keep hearing it is, or if people are just hyping it up because it's Makeup by Mario. Anyways, I got the new Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Blur Setting Powder. Comes in the standard Makeup by Mario box. Let's see what the packaging looks like. There's different shades. I got 2 neutral lights. Here's what 2 neutral light looks like. And the packaging is nothing impressive. It just has a regular plastic sifter. Check it out right there. The reason I'm not thinking I'm going to love this powder is because it doesn't look super fine, and I tend to prefer fine powders, but now that I'm putting it on my hand, I don't know, it does seem quite smooth. So definitely be on the lookout for the video where I try this one because I still have my reservations. I don't know once it's on my dry skin how it's going to work, but so far it actually feels pretty good. Now I didn't just stop at one powder, I actually got 2 different powders because I have been dying to try this Tarte setting powder here in the shade Lavender. I think I was doing a live video, we were talking about powders and I mentioned lavender setting powders and how I wanted to try one, and somebody said Tarte has a lavender setting powder out already. What are you talking about? You need to try it immediately. And so here I am. I bought it. Here's what the packaging looks like, and I cannot believe it, but it does actually look pretty lavender in there. I cannot wait to try this one as well. Oh, and it comes with a little tiny puff. See, this is powder packaging that I personally like. Take a look. So here's, it had the puff on the top and then you open it. And if my camera wants to focus, I can show you how there is a mesh sifter in there and the powder is coming out of it. I know I said I wasn't going to try anything, but I am very curious about lavender powder. So, okay. Is it brighter? It's pretty smoothing for sure. I like it. I don't know if it's necessarily making a difference color wise. I also don't know exactly what my expectations were as far as the color is concerned, but it is very smoothing regardless. Oh my god, I put it over my blush. Regardless of whether or not the lavender is doing anything. I like how smooth my under eyes look right now. Anyways, I said I wasn't going to try anything, so I'll stop, but I like what I see. Let me fix my blush and we will fully try that powder on its own in a different video as well, of course. Something else I have been dying to try is the new mascara from Miss Charlotte Tilbury. So of course I had to get it. This is the Exaggerize mascara from Charlotte. And you can take a look right here at what the packaging looks like. Very fancy indeed. This mascara has a curved wand. It's supposed to be a curling, volumizing, and lengthening mascara. I love the smell of mascara for some reason, and I cannot wait to try this one on my lashes and see if it's truly as spectacular as the marketing pictures are making it seem, because the marketing pictures are making this one seem truly like transformative. So we'll see about that. I also got something from Huda. I got the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. This foundation is supposed to make you look like you have a filter on. It's supposed to be super blurring, and the marketing on this foundation also kind of insane. So, you know me, with my dry skin, very skeptical about it. So I cannot wait to try it and do a full day wear test and see whether or not this foundation is truly as spectacular as people are making it seem online, because it truly kind of looks like it's very blurring. But blurring can sometimes happen with powder. Like, I feel like I look pretty blurred right now, and it's because the translucent powder made my pores disappear. At the same time, a foundation that does that on its own, is it going to be drying? That is the question. Here's what the actual foundation packaging looks like. It has your standard 1 ounce. It says it has 1.5% niacinamide. Everything has niacinamide these days. And for my shade twins, I got it in the shade Custard, which looks maybe like my summer color. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is like a summer color for me. I am a little paler than this right now, but I know that I'm going to be able to make it work, so Custard might work for you as well. Let's keep going. I got 2 things from Dior Beauty that I have been dying to try. Here they are. As you can see, the packaging is very similar to both of them because they are both stick products. So I got the Forever Stick Foundation, which, I mean, this packaging is beautiful. It's refillable because I just opened the wrong end. I got it in the shade 2N because 2 Neutral is usually my color from Dior. And here's what it looks like once you open it. It has that typical Dior makeup rosy scent. And I'm pretty sure 2N is the right color. Yeah, that's blending right in. So I'll definitely be trying this one very soon. The other thing I got from Dior to try along with the foundation is the Dior Forever Skin Contour, which has similar packaging except it's black on black rather than the silver. The top of it is very similar, which I love. And this one I got in shade 3 Medium. Here's what that looks like. I was looking at the different swatches, and this one was simply the one that seemed the best for my complexion. If it blends out nicely, because swatching it like this, it looks pretty dark. And I of course will be trying both of these products together in an upcoming video, so keep your eyes out for that. I had to get the new Cali Ray Blurry Blush. It looked enticing. It comes in a packaging similar to the packaging of the color corrector, and the Cali Ray color corrector is my favorite thing about the brand. Let me open it and show you. I think the color I got is very me. I got a peachy pink shade. Here's what the packaging looks like, and the shade, I believe, is called Zen. Now that I have it with me though, I can tell you the packaging is different. This is plastic and the color corrector comes in a glass container, but very beautiful nonetheless. The packaging, I'm talking about the packaging. Of course, we'll have to try the formula in an upcoming video. I got something from Westman Atelier, which always hurts my wallet so much, but I often end up liking the products. It is expensive, man, but I had to get this new concealer from Westman Atelier to try. It is called the Vital Skincare Concealer. Here's what the packaging looks like, and I got mine in the shade L4. The packaging is beautiful as per usual, and here's what the doe foot applicator of this one looks like. I think this shade will work for me. It's definitely super neutral. First impressions, I do like that it's a pretty thin formula. So once again, I cannot wait to try it. I'm very excited about the videos I'll make trying a lot of these products because I feel like I'm going to like a lot of it. We'll see. This also hurt my wallet quite a bit, but I wanted to try it. I got a Gucci product. I had to try the Gucci multi-use illuminating powder, and I got mine in the shade Sunrise Gold 01. Here is what the packaging looks like, and I had to grab this one because Gucci powder products tend to be my favorite Gucci products in general. Like, my favorite Gucci products are the powder, the bronzer, and the blushes, and they are like top favorite products in my collection. And so, seeing as they came out with a highlighting powder, I couldn't not try it, okay? It looks, right now, just opening it, it just looks like a white setting powder, to be honest with you. It doesn't even look highlighty at all. I don't want to touch it because I don't want to ruin my surprise. I want to try it once I'm ready to put it on my face, so we'll wait for that review video for that. But now that I've seen it and it doesn't even look highlighty, I am even more intrigued to see the performance of it. I left two of the most exciting products for last. One of them is a fragrance, so that we will try in this video, and it is from Replica. I got the travel size of the Replica Afternoon Delight fragrance. This is supposed to smell like French pastries, and I have been so intrigued to smell this fragrance, so let's go for it. Please, please, please be good. Let's let it settle. Oh, there is something in there that I don't like it. I don't like it, and the more it's settling on my skin with my pH, I'm liking it less. I cannot pinpoint to what it is, but I thought it would be more of a sweet treat, and there's something in there that smells a little bit like licorice, a little bit like flower maybe. I think I'm actually going to return it. It smells pretty old lady. Like, Afternoon Delight sounded delightful, and the notes of it sounded beautiful, and I didn't expect the old lipstick smell from it. No. I do not like it. That one's definitely going back. I left the most expensive for last, and this is going to get its own dedicated video for sure. I got the new Danessa Myricks Lightworks Volume 6 Freedom Palette. It's pretty chunky. I knew it was going to be big, but I didn't expect it to be this thick. It's got some girth. So here's what the packaging looks like. I'm telling you right now, I'm not even going to swatch this one, but I will open it. I do want to play with the packaging. I think the packaging is one of the most innovative things we've seen in makeup this year, if not the most innovative thing we've seen in makeup this year. There was a box inside a box. Here is the pouch, the infamous pouch that it comes with, which is very fancy. I'm assuming this is vegan leather, and the magnets on here are crazy. So here is the box inside the box. And then here is what the palette looks like. These shimmers are so pretty. Here's what the color stories are like. So here is the packaging thing. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it already, but let me actually take this off. So this right here is a mirror. If you take the little paper off, you get a mirror, and it's the top of the palette, as you can see. And then these right here pop out super easily, by the way, so you can get your little 6-pan palette and take it with you on the go, which is why we got the pouch I showed you earlier, this pouch right here with the magnet. But then you can also stack all 3 of the 6-pan palettes, and so now you have this beautiful compact palette here that is stacked with all 3 of the color stories, and you can put it in your pouch, of course. How cute is that? How innovative, how fun. I feel like we hadn't seen fun packaging in palettes in a minute, and the Nessa came through. This is fun. Also, you don't only get to stack the palettes, the shades actually also come out, so you can assemble your 6-pan palette to look however you want it to look. The magnet is taking off the little pans from inside. Okay, here we go. And my palette is humongous again. I love it. This is so cool, so fun. I love the innovative packaging, and the color story looks amazing. So I truly cannot wait to play with this palette. I will do a dedicated video on this one with at least 3 eyeshadow looks. And the shades, as I said, look incredible. So I cannot wait to try them and to show you guys. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup haul. I will have an absolute blast playing with all of these products throughout the week. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and so that you can make sure to come back for all of these reviews. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Bye.